I don't know. I think it was more like the street weakening, and yeah. Hold on.
Oh, that's old town there. Yeah.
Right, here we go. We're gonna get that car to be unflipped.
It's not like a real built car.
No.
Something black.
Here we go. Almost there. We're on our side.
Currently getting pretty good.
Now he's got to pull his truck a little forward. Oh, that wheel just popped right off.
Did it?
Yeah.
That's one way to do it, I guess. Sit a little higher. Was drunk driving, you think?
Possibly they did have someone in handcuffs.
Yeah.
I do know that. But I don't want to speculate if it was DUI or if it was drug related. I don't know. Which, even if it was drug related, that's still DUI.
It's still it is?
It's still a DUI if it's...
How they do it now?
Huh?
How they do it now? I mean, that's drunk.
Like if, say you're high on marijuana. Okay, yes, marijuana is legal,
Yeah.
but if you're driving high,
Right.
it's still impaired. It's still impaired.
Right.
Okay, so it's still going to count as a DUI.
Oh, really?
Well, or a DWI, which is driving while impaired, but it also could be driving under the influence
Yeah.
or while intoxicated. So it works both ways.
They probably get some, what do they call it, supplements or something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Will do.